This video will demonstrate the use of special tool Fuel System Plug Set. This special tool contains various types of plugs and caps to cover openings of fuel system components when they are disconnected or removed from vehicle during repairs. Using Fuel System Plug Set. After disconnecting the fuel return pipe from fuel injectors, the pipe and fuel injector openings should be covered by the appropriate caps as shown. The injector connector and fuel pipe connection can also be covered by using suitable caps. Pipes of the vacuum pump, fuel return collector and the high pressure pump can also be covered by appropriate caps as shown. Special tool also contains threaded caps to cover openings of the fuel rail after disconnecting the fuel pipes. After removing the fuel injectors from the engine, mark the injector numbers on the injectors to avoid mixing and cover the injector nozzles using appropriate caps as shown. Advantages and benefits. This tool helps to avoid entry of dust and foreign particles in the fuel system components after they are disconnected. This prevents damage and clogging of fuel system components. Plugging of components also helps to transport the injectors safely for calibration, etc.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.